Hello, I'm Virgil Stringfield, and this is my second individual progress report. So, I made the first start screen. I made it with JFrames and JButtons, and then when making the game, we decided to use a different set of libraries that didn't support that. So the start screen was rebuilt with these new libraries with textures and sprites. And then, in order to integrate that into the game as a whole, I had to set up game states. So the game states control would be like game paused and game playing, and in this case, I called it start game state start screen. So it had two states, a start screen and a gameplay. And then it turned out that the libraries we're using had its own built-in game state system, so the start screen was reprogrammed again to match the library standards. So what I'm working on now for this sprint is I'm trying to animate all our little characters. So the way the animation works, it has these what I call sprite sheets, which are just it's like you take the texture of the character, the drawing of the character, and you put him in an array. So they fit on our screen and our little grid really well if they're 100 by 100. So all the characters are that size, and so each piece of the grid as it goes down the screen is the same size, and all the characters are the same distance apart. Then when in the program it's set up as an array, a texture array, and as it loops through the array, you read this guy, and then read this guy, and then read this guy, then read that guy, and then read that guy, and then read that guy. Then it loops back to the beginning and starts again. And that's how it animates. So we'll do the demo here. We'll skip the start screen demo since even though it's been programmed differently, it functions the same. And there you can see on the screen the little guy, he still moves around the way he did before, but now he's kind of animated. And he'll, well, the little drunk guy, and he'll take a drink every once in a while. And that's what I've done so far. Thanks for your time.